Hey there, welcome back to Utilizix Maths. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept of mathematics that often gets overlooked, the divisibility method. Whether you're a math whiz or someone who's always struggled with numbers, understanding divisibility can make your mathematical journey a whole lot smoother. So, stick around as we unravel the mysteries of divisibility in today's video. First things first, what exactly is divisibility? Well, simply put, divisibility is the ability of one number to be divided by another number without leaving a remainder. Some of the rules are: if the number is divisible by 2, then it should be an even number. If the number is divisible by 3, then the sum of its number will divisible by 3. If the number is divisible by 4, then the last number of that number will be divisible by 4. If the number is divisible by number 5, then the last number ends with 5 or 0. If the number is divisible by number 6, then the number is divisible in both 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by number 8, then the number is divisible by number 4. If the number is divisible by number 10, then the number will end in 0. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the divisibility method. We've covered the basics of divisibility, learned some handy divisibility rules, and even glimpsed into its real-world applications. Whether you're a math enthusiast or someone just looking to brush up on their skills, I hope this video has been informative and insightful. Whether you're a math enthusiast or someone just looking to brush up on their skills, I hope this video has been informative and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Utilizix Maths for more engaging content. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy calculating.